Hi everyone, we're Tom and Laura, and after spending 2 years living, working and travelling around Australia, we figured it was time to explore some of our home country of the UK. If you missed the last episode, we started our mini southwest road trip in the beautiful city of Bath, and in today's video we've carried on a little further south to check out Bournemouth, Poole and Swanage on the incredible Dorset coast. As you might be able to tell, we're no longer in Bath. We have come down the road a little bit further to Bournemouth and we're going to be exploring the Dorset area. I can't wait. Again, it's an area I've been to once before when I was like in year 10 at school, so it's been a long while, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to exploring it. The best bit about being on a road trip is you can take as much stuff as you like, or as you can fit in your car, no weight, luggage or limit at all. Perfect. Oh, hello! I love squirrels, but I don't actually have anything to feed you with. Hello. You definitely get hand-fed, don't you? So we're on a lazy day today, but we've just come into Bournemouth town and we've come to the brew house. It's so cute out here. It looks really nice inside, but as it's a nice day, we've come to the garden and there's all these little beach huts and benches and it's just so cute. Beers are a bit of a big thing down here, so we're going to try a couple and also have some lunch because I'm so hungry. And of course, no trip to a brewery would be complete without one of these.
Nice.
The menu here looks so good. A proper yummy pub rub. Here it is. This is that beer can chicken with onion rings and skin on chips. Yum. Today we've gone to Poole, which is about 15 minutes away, and we're actually going to be going on a little cruise, like a couple of hour cruise around the harbour in a little bit. I don't actually know anything about these little cruises because we don't do any research for things. We were just mooching along the quayside area and there was a big queue of people. We thought, oh, what's this for? And yeah, there's a little cruise, it's 2 hours and it goes all around the coastline up to Old Harry Rock, which is like a really famous natural formation, rock formation in the area, so we thought we'd do that. It's only tenner each as well, which is pretty good, I think. So Poole is also very much like a working harbour side. We've got the big ships here, there's been cranes lifting stuff onto the boats as well. And then you've got all the big fancy yachts that I'm never ever going to be able to afford in my life. This little boat trip took us out of Poole Harbour, past Sandbanks, one of the most expensive places for property, all the way up to Old Harry Rocks. Seeing as we just stumbled across this as we were mooching around, it turned out to be a great way to see the start of Dorset's Jurassic Coast, as well as some of Poole Harbour. So this point here is Old Harry Rocks, which is quite a famous point. It's named after a pirate. And the big stump is Harry, and the little one next to it is his wife. I think that was 10 quid pretty well spent. A really nice 2 hour cruise just around the coastline really, but it was lovely. And now we are going to go to Swanage and then we're going to go to Old Harry's Rock for sunset. And this is Swanage. Actually really surprised by Swanage. It is so nice down here. It was absolutely completely booked out when we were looking to come down this way, so maybe I shouldn't be so surprised. But we're just going to have some fish and chips by the sea because we haven't had any yet. My days. I'm so excited though. Right, we're now on our way to Old Harry Rocks, or Old Harry's Rock, I don't know, one of the two. It's about a 35-minute walk from the car park. You park at South Beach, follow the signs down the road and keep going basically. So yeah, getting there for golden hour hopefully. On the next and final video of this mini-series, Tom and I make our way to some of the most beautiful and iconic areas of the Dorset coast, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you again soon!